All right, almost a year later, after messing up my headlights with acetone, I still haven't fixed it. But this one, my friend, came out pretty darn good. Let me wipe it off because it's a little dirty here. Maybe. All right, so it's been a year since I did this screw up here, this fail, and I want to see if with a heat gun I could fix this little situation here. All right, heat gun test. See that? See, I put too much heat over there. Check it out. Before and after the heat. Now you see this white spot right there? That's too much heat. Ooh, shit is hot. Too much heat, too much heat. But hey, it looks a lot better than that. Here's a close-up. That's not bad right there, that corner right there. But I applied too much heat and that little white circle there formed right here. That's pretty good. See? Too much heat. But so far, it's getting clear. So I'm gonna give up on this because the more I try, the more burn marks I make. Too many burn marks already. So, does the heating thing work? I guess it does to remove the haze, but I don't know if I should try it on the other lens, even though the other one's better. But it sure does look way better than before. A little bit of heat, huh? That's ridiculous. But when you do a close zoom to it, that's melted plastic. So I literally just melted the plastic to try to get it back to where it was originally. I might be able to sand it down, maybe, and get it, buff it out, sand it and buff it out so it shines back in. I'm not too worried about it. There it is, guys. Don't risk your headlights with acetone. And if you did the same, or the outcome was the same, use a heat gun. Maybe it'll clear it out. Alright guys, that's it for today. Check you guys out later. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Latest. Oh, yeah. Do what you always do.